Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. I'm coming from the Keystone Big Show here in Texas. That's right, I'm in Texas, and I'm here for you. You know what? I want to show you the latest and greatest products. I'm over here at the Westin booth, and as you know, Westin's been around a long time. They have a great product, and today they got a new product that has not come out, but it's coming out real soon. What is it? Well, come on over here. It is a new hard rolling retractable cover with the T-slot, so you can add rack, and it's electric. So let's come over here and take a look here. Let's say, now I kind of played with it a few minutes. Let's see, I think this is that the unlock? Nope, this, one of the, there we go, I did hit the right one. Okay. So, all right, I have to unlock it, and then I have to hit, there we go. Still learning the remote. One thing, it's hard to tell, it's a little noisy in here, but it's actually very quiet. And if you notice, it is opening up very smoothly. It does have a nice LED light in there. And if you look in the front, it has a little larger drainage system, less chance of things getting clogged in there. A couple things I like about this cover. Now, first thing first is the T-slot runs the full length of the bed. Why is that important? Well, if you want to put a sport rack, which needs to go to the front by the cab, you can do it with this. Also, if you notice, this sits just slightly higher and not in the bed. Now, the benefit of that is real simple. If you put something in the bed and you need just a little bit more clearance, this will give it to you. Also, the canister, if you look in there, if you can see that, it does have quite a bit of room underneath the canister. Now, it's probably around a 10-inch canister. Now, depending on the applications, if you notice, there's a Ford, so it is bolted into the actual pre-made holes in the bed, which is a nice feature, by the way. All in all, I think as a new product goes, I think this is a nice one. Now, I'm looking forward to getting one of these. And if you want to be one of the first ones to get this cover, this is supposed to be coming out on the market fairly soon, hopefully in the next 90 days. So we'll see when it comes out. But if you want to get one of these, we can install it for you. We do offer installation. Now, if you don't live in Florida, it's not a problem. We can ship this anywhere in the country. And we're shipping outside the continental USA. We ship to Alaska and Hawaii. That's right. If you live in Hawaii, we got you covered. So again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is the new electric cover from Westin. And I tell you, what a nice setup. I like the matte finish. I like the T-slots. I like everything about it. It does have a lifetime warranty, which is probably one of the best in the business for an electric cover, and a 500-pound weight capacity, which again is right at the top. So I think this is going to be a hit when it comes out. Now, I did get pricing on this, and it should be a little bit less than the competition. Now, I won't know for sure until it comes out. But again, you can always call the store. We can tell you when it's coming, and you can pre-order if you like. Again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and thank you for watching our video.